it's very interesting to say the same decision that you made was the absolute worst is now the absolute best. Zero debate. The service is unbelievable. The products are everything they need to be and more. For business owners, it's alleviating pains. And for guys like me, I just go from one disaster to the next pretty much all day long at a computer, whether it's a horrible work comp claim or a driver that gets in a wreck or a slip and fall in a store. I navigate from one disaster pretty much to the next. And for them to remove an item that before we had this, it was guaranteed going to be an issue every single day. It's just at how many stores and how bad is it going to be. So that is now gone and alleviated and done. Then you throw on the PCI piece of it, which I'm convinced there's about 5 people on earth that really truly understand PCI compliance, and I know I'm not one of them. So I no longer deal with any of that. And then phone and internet's wrapped up in it, and somehow we even saved a few bucks.